and welcome to my YouTube channel Trader Battleground. So here we discuss today how I traded ADN USD cryptocurrency. First of all, you know that I trade in cryptocurrency with a strategy, or you can say that my method. My method are mostly that I was traded for imbalance. Here you can see there is no volume and the price is very tiny. Here you can see after when volume came, the stock price or currency price move very rapidly from when I measure that it is approx 60% from there. So what was the reason of the movement of this stock from here to there? In chart you can see that the price of currency is moving when the volume came. Most people do not understand the relation between volume and the price movement, but you can see here when the volume came, the price movement will start. So my strategy, my method was to trade with volume, big volume, institutional volume, and with price movement. So firstly, you can see when I make apply 50-minute chart, you can see here spike and price movement also. And when we sit from 1 minute, because we traded when price movement and volume, institution volume are started. So here you can see that the volume is coming from institutional activities. So after that you can see my entry is there and my stop loss is there. The reason behind that is I was traded, I was considered as a here this this movement as a price one movement, P1 movement, and here price price can within the range approx 30 minutes. When this candle and up form from this volume, when this candle form from this volume, I entered here and my stop loss there, because there is imbalance here. So uh, my, my subconscious mind said that there is a very big player or institutional activity are present here. So when you gave your money to institution, then you are also traded with institution and you are profitable. So here very good price movement, you can see that from there the currency, hidden currency, you can also search on apps or CoinDesk or any many apps. From there it can move up to 27%. What a great percentage movement. You can clearly see that. Very simple strategy. I can tell a very simple strategy. You can I can explain it that you, here that you can consider as a price one. When volume came with, this is P1 price one. After that you waited at least 30 to 40 minutes within the range, like that it will fall below, it's okay. And when with the institution volume it breakouts like that, you can enter here and SL is there. this similar formation is found here, but this price here I can show that. Wait, I can delete. Here you can see that here the when volume came, price is rising. After that, price get approx 30 to 40 minutes within the range, and when volume came with the price momentum is also very significant. So that if measure, I can measure, it is approximately 8%, 9% movement. So I enter here, my SL is there, and my target is there. What a good movement! If you follow this strategy with a fixed risk reward ratio, friend, I maintain my risk reward most time 1:4, and when the volume is increases, I also book sometime 1:8 or more than that. So you can see clearly a clear formation P1, P2 and P3 price movements third. When the price movement third is formed, you can enter. This strategy, this method is very useful and simple. So you can also use this method and make yourself a profitable trader. I was a profitable trader. I was struggling for 3 to 4 years, but from last 1 year, I was a profitable trader, and my strategy was very simple and clear. So when I understand that simple things work in everywhere, whether it is market or whether it is any field, working field, business, simple things always work very well. So you also follow a simple things which change your life in stock market also. I was traded in coin dishes because these coins are mostly on coin dishes app. So you can find from coin dishes app, and I was always traded. Most of the kind when I was traded is went up to 300%, 400% are also because there is a huge volume. So volume when came, the price of cryptocurrency will move significantly. I was also traded a Rave coin, and in a previous video I was also told you that I was traded GTC coin GTC. I can show you how I traded that coin GTC. Here you can see that a price when volume came, price action one form. After that, price was within the range for many times. But in P2, in P2 here there is no big candles. You can see here that is very big candles, but here none of the candle is very big. So I can minimize it color. Yes. Then after, wait, the candle size is not very good. You can see here is very significant candle. Big candles are formed. You can 5 to 10% candle size is formed. So I cannot enter here after I was waited. Then a good healthy candle is formed approx 7%. So I entered here and my stop loss is there. The price is rising very well, very well. From here, it can move up to 34-35%. What a significant move. I achieved here 1:4. You can see that only my basis was volume with good candle and price within the range for at least half an hour. So this is very simple tool. You can use it and apply in your strategy, and always follow a good risk reward at least 1:4, so that you can make money. Because if you if you trade at least 10 trade for fixed loss, so if your loss is 1000 and you can trade it for at least 10 times, so from there if you get 3 1:4, so you can make 12,000. And you can, if your 7 stop loss is hit, then you can lose 7,000. Overall you can also make 5,000 with 30% win rate. That's why this strategy is very good, because it helps to make at least 1:4 very easily. So you can follow this strategy, and do subscribe my channel, and want any other video so I can bring you for you. Thank you.